Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into Viper Energy's third quarter earnings report. Viper Energy, a subsidiary of Diamondback Energy, focuses on oil and natural gas properties, primarily in the Permian Basin. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Viper Energy has just released their Q3 2024 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from production increases to strategic acquisitions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Viper Energy reported a consolidated net income of $109 million for Q3 2024. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Viper's net income of $109 million is a solid performance, though it reflects a decrease from the previous year. The earnings per share came in at 52 cents, and the total operating income was $209.6 million. Despite the lower net income, the company managed to distribute $75.4 million in cash to its shareholders, which is quite impressive.
What about their revenue streams?
Their revenue is primarily driven by oil, which accounted for $186.8 million. Natural gas and natural gas liquids contributed modestly, but the overall revenue was bolstered by their strategic focus on high-margin oil production.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Viper Energy reported a 2.4% increase in production from the previous quarter. How significant is this growth, John?
This growth is quite significant, especially in a volatile market. The average production reached 26,978 barrels of oil per day. Their realized oil price was $75.24 per barrel, which is competitive. Looking ahead, Viper has set a Q4 production guidance of 29,250 to 29,750 barrels per day, indicating confidence in their operational capabilities.
What are the key factors driving this production increase?
The increase is largely due to the successful integration of the Tumbleweed acquisitions and the continued development of their high-quality mineral and royalty assets. Their strategic focus on operational efficiencies and cost management is paying off.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Viper Energy has been active on the acquisition front. Can you tell us more about the Tumbleweed acquisitions?
Absolutely. Viper completed the acquisition of several mineral and royalty interest-owning subsidiaries, which significantly expanded their net royalty acreage to approximately 35,634 acres. This strategic move enhances their asset base and positions them for future growth.
How does this impact their financial strategy?
The acquisitions are part of Viper's strategy to consolidate high-quality assets. They returned $62.4 million to shareholders, representing 83% of cash available for distribution, which underscores their commitment to shareholder value.
Financial health and risk management. Let's talk about Viper's financial health. They reported a cash balance of $168.6 million. How does their debt situation look?
Viper's net debt stands at $661.7 million, which is manageable given their cash position and available credit of $850 million. They have a solid liquidity position, which provides flexibility for future investments and operations.
Are there any risks investors should be aware of?
While Viper is well-positioned, they are not immune to commodity price volatility and regulatory changes. However, their hedging strategies and strong operational base mitigate some of these risks.
Key takeaways. In summary, Viper Energy has delivered a robust performance in Q3 2024 with strong production growth and strategic acquisitions. Their financial health remains solid, and they continue to provide value to shareholders through dividends and capital returns. John, any final thoughts?
Viper Energy is well-positioned for future growth thanks to their strategic acquisitions and operational efficiencies. Investors should keep an eye on their production guidance and market conditions, but overall, the company shows promising prospects.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Viper Energy's performance in the comments below.